What is good, True Tech family? And today we're officially wrapping up the AMTA FIFINE Ampligame microphone kit giveaway. Now, first off, I gotta say thank you to everyone who entered, subscribed, commented, and shared what they do and love. The support has been crazy, and I really appreciate y'all rocking with this channel. Now, let's be clear, the winners of this giveaway were chosen completely at random with the help of AI. We don't play favorites over here. All right, y'all, let's get to it. The winners of the FIFINE AMTA Ampligame microphone kits are as follows. Gang-DOS, who commented online classes and some gaming. As much as we love gaming, we love education even more. So congratulations, fam. Second up on the list is Uptown Shooter 38, who commented, new mic for my setup, and we'll accept this as a passable answer for anyone who is new to the PC master race. Welcome, fam. Congratulations, my guy. And last but not least, James Carter, who commented, for gaming and content creation. Thanks for the opportunity, and we appreciate you tapping in as well here at True Tech. So make some noise for the winners in the comments. Y'all have just secured a full mic kit, clean audio, cool RGB glow, plug and play, perfect for streaming, podcasting, gaming, YouTube, all of that. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more giveaways to come. More tech reviews, more builds, more real world setup, and more exciting chances to win cool tech. Now winners, this is important. You have until February 5th to DM me your shipping info and get your kit sent out ASAP. And for everybody else, stay locked in. I'm Tyson on True Tech. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.